Today, I will show you how to assign material to class. Use LSMW in SAP working. My name is Feng Hengjun. I'm from China. Here is my email. Any question, you can send email to me. Let's start. I have 10 topics to share it with you. First one, I need to prepare data and check the system version. Then maintain the object attributes, and then we use the need to maintain a source field to mapping to mapping the system fields. Then need to field mapping. We need to create the field mapping relationship, and file we need to specify a file and the proper upload file, upload data files. Then use the data source and read the data source from the local files. Then we need to convert the data format for system. And then we need to start the direct input program, run the batch to create or to assign material to class. And the last one, we need to check the data and use the transaction code WM03. Let's start. First, we need to check the SAP version. Here we need SAP version is EHP6 or SAP ERP6 version. Now we need to prepare some data. First one, need to create a new query list and class. Now we have already this the class or query list. Then we need to assign query scale to class. And 3, we need to create a material without classification. After this data prepare, we need to create a LSW data object. Here we need to create a LSW data object of the MM01 create the value. The description you can type anything. After this one, we need to select data type. We use the data object 130, and the method is direct input. We need to program this program RCCLB-I03, and the program time in direct. So you need to remember it. And then we need to maintain source structure. Here we can we maintain header and details structures. Then need to maintain source fields in the 3 steps. Here need something we need to like this. We need to maintain header like this: key, product, class type, and the details we have the key and the correct is the value or correct is the name, and this is group in under the header. After maintaining resource structure and the field, we need to maintain field mapping and conversion rules. Let's start. In this structure, we have defined the source. The system is mapping. In here, we can find the header and the details. So can return the class type and the object and the class. 3 field mapping to system. And then we need to details. We need to mapping correct is the name and correct is the value. So we find we only have 5 fields to create a mapping to system, and we find the others resource status and the standard class we set the default value, and this is object is very important. So I need to set the context is MARA. This is means only is only for material. Now need to maintain specify file. Here we have specify file in local C computer. We need to double click here like this and check this table value and not hide. And we need to define the log input data files and conversion data files. Use the files name and logic paths and logic files. If you have not logic file paths, you can maintain logic files in this button. Now we need to prepare upload data in Excel. In Excel, like this, you need to maintain material and class bursts and class type. You need to maintain height and maintain chronology and details. Like this is details type, head type, and then use this material characteristic and characteristic value. And for this for 11 line, we define other material. Use the field kind age. It means is height. This is material number and class type, class ID and class type. In header includes 3 fields, and then is all of this is credits and the credits value include the measure. You need to copy Excel data to your local computer folder and save text file and copy it like this. Now read the text. First we need to click this button and you can see this is the screen. Need to again click this button and after you can file is read. As file is read in these files, include we find the header is to read and details is 18 record is read. So you can display 10 steps, display read data, 10 display read like this. Header is 01 and is H and others is M, details like this. Then we need to convert data. You need to click this button and the system convert the data. And after you convert, we can use the telephone stamp to display conversion data like this. You can find you have 20 record and this one is hide and the 2 level is details. So you can see the conversion data yours in your these files. Then restart the regular input program. First one, we need to click this button and then you can select the logic file names and not log, not check, and read the file from the application service and the path name. If have any other, we can find the color error list in this path. Then we need to maintain class data for some this is error. maybe you can find the error in the dist file. Then you can to check the clock scale, use the transaction mm03. You can input the date 114, but this error is displayed. The material is does not create or not active. So we need to first create a material, and 113 maybe is the same error. If you after after the last step, we need to check the M0 to check the upload data. Use the M03. You can see before we have 115. The material have no classification. After we can find the classification material 115 have class type 001 is bullish and the account. Thank you very much. And now I will show you in the system which confirmed the system. And this time, first time I need to input the real prepared data material 138 or 139, and the class is bullet, and the class type is ZMG. Now we need to create a material. Before creating material, I need to check the classes. The class is we have created before, so we need to have the classes and the qualification. We have 8 qualities in here, and we have many units like this one. So I need to create the material, and the create material is copy like this one. Yes. So I have created material 138. Then I create other material. Yes. Now I have created my two material. We just display only two views. Now I need to open other version. This is LSMW branch. We have created object and sub-object, and the object is ZMM01. Now here we continue. First, then we need to maintain object attributes. We display. We can find we use this object and this method and this program, and define a state object. We need to source and the details. This is class and this is details. And third, we need to maintain source field. We have defined key and the key details, and need to check this the field the key is header key. Maybe you check this field. This field input indicated in its age, so I need to maintain that source use the age or use the 1. And the same this material you need to maintain M field in the M, so I use the M in my resource files. And here we have 2 values, and here is 3 values. So need to total values is 5, and this is hard code. If I have finished the source field we need to maintain structure relationship. The batch input target structure we assign head and the classification we assign details. They need to mapping field and conversion rules. Like this, we can to assign the three field and in the details only assign the two fields. If after and then we need to specify files. First, we need to upload the file in from local path. We use this path C SAP material class. Use the text file format. Now we use the data order match source structure of definition. We don't need to use this part this check. Now we need to read data. Click this button and we need to find we have read two files, two racks, and display the read files. Click OK. Now you can find we have read the 20 record include two head. It means is two material and the other attribute. Now we need to convert the data. Yeah, we need two records, two transactions. Now we need to display the transaction and two records after conversion is the same. But this structure is different. Is header is KSSK and the details is AUSP. Now we need to start direct input program. We use this button and use the logic file, the material, the empty class, and the error files uses this class. You need to check. I have not found it. Yep, is correct. We can check the classification is broad and the height is model length type. We check our data. Is model 02 is model because this is a data value length 10 kilometer 20 30. Here I show you I have finished the upload the I have finished assign the class to material. If have you any question, you can send email to me. I will help you to create and will help you. Thank you. Bye bye.